Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with yet another quick video, and today the red bag returns. Doo-doo, doo-doo, doo-doo. This is gonna be a very quick one today, guys. I have acquired this beautiful bag, and inside this beautiful bag, let me share with you, is this little beautiful red box. We love red boxes, don't we? So, what else is inside here? Well, the certificate that comes in an envelope like this, and my invoice comes like this, stamp and everything. But let's look what's inside the box, shall we? Okay, so the box is like this. Looks like that. You open it and it's like that, and then it's like this, okay? It kind of opens like this, and inside here is another box, which I'm gonna take out now. Okay, like this. I'm not gonna make this a long one because you've seen tons of videos of this item on the internet. This is a little safety pin, so you're not able to press in and open the box by mistake. So you take this off. It's just a little piece of felt fabric with a cardboard, I would say. Looks like this, nothing special. And then voila! It's beautiful, isn't it? This is the Cartier Trinity ring, which is, if you know, you probably know, 3 rings together in different materials. One is white gold, one is yellow gold, one is red gold. The one that is yellow gold, this one in the middle here, has a little Cartier engraving on the top of it. Let me see if I'm able to. Okay, so it's here. Yeah. So if I move it like this, you may be able to see that here is a little engraving that says Cartier on it. And actually, it is on the one that is red gold, not on the one that is on the yellow gold. It's the red gold ring, has the Cartier engraving. Let me try to move it like this. You might be able to see it better. Yeah, so you might be see here on the red ring, there is a Cartier engraving on it. If I take it out, this is held in place by this little black thing. So I just move this a bit up and take the ring out. So here it is. As I said, it's a set of 3 rings. And if I put it on, this is obviously not my size, but I'm able to put it on the small finger so you have at least an idea of how it looks like. There. Isn't that beautiful? I think it's absolutely stunning, eh? This is supposed to be worn probably on the middle finger or on your index finger, but it can be worn on the pinky, like I have it on now, and there's nothing wrong with that. Obviously, you have to each its own, and you can wear it the way you want to wear it. But I think it was more designed to wear it on here, or on this ring here. But nevertheless, it definitely has its own presence. This one is, I believe, the thicker version. There is also a thinner version than this. This one is quite thick, as you can see, because I'm a dude, and it does still look quite big, or let's say quite present on my finger. All right, I'm not gonna make this any longer than this. I just wanted to share this ring with you guys because it's absolutely beautiful. I hope you are doing well. Thank you very much for watching my videos, and I wish you a wonderful weekend. Bye.